Welcome to my new video. So as you know, what is anti-gravity? Have you heard about that? So I want to tell you what is anti-gravity. Anti-gravity is an AI agent which is launched by Google, which help you to make a project in many way. Like I am making a video on resume making. Means I will give you a very easy trick to make your resume using your LinkedIn ID, your GitHub, your projects which is on GitHub, and some of other resources like lead code and some of your certifications, your college name, your CGPA, and so many things. Okay, so as you know, I use anti-gravity for making resume. I will give you a code of HTML code which will give you a proper uh, si- uh, front end for your resume. So I will give you that code and also some of your information from your social sites, which will create your resume very efficiently. So after that, first of all, I have to open anti-gravity. So let's open this. So after opening, we have to open the file. You can create a file with name, your name, and after resume. So let's create a folder name Krishna resume. Okay. So let's make a folder. Here I am in File Explorer. So I am just creating a folder name Krishna resume. Okay. So let's create it. As you can see, I have created the folder name Krishna resume. So let's open this in anti-gravity. So I am in anti-gravity. So now let's open that folder. Okay, so new folder, open folder. Now here search Krishna Krishna resume. Okay, select folder and open it. Okay, then after I will provide you a code. That means you will get a code of your resume format. So I will give you that code in my description, video description, so you can get that code format of that resume that is written in the coding form. So I will give you that code, so you can check it in my description. So moving forward, I am making this video for your resume making. I already told you. So let's give you that code. Let's copy it and I will give here. Yeah, so I have copied that code. So I will paste here using AI agent. So I will paste that code here and first run this code. Okay, so it will be saved in your Krishna resume format, whatever your folder name. Okay, in that format, whatever that is. What is the output coming from there? So here you are saying that what is the demand for my resume. Here first full name, phone number and email, LinkedIn URL, GitHub URL, lead code URL, education details, university degree, dates, locations, experience detail, company role, dates, location, key points, project detail, certifications, technical skills. And when you provide GitHub link, lead code link, or any other links, that already given your full name, phone number, email ID, and experience detail, project detail already on GitHub. So you don't have to put that. Means you have to uh, send some images to this agent that will already that you can give your certificate detail on your resume. That is used for showcase. Technical skills you don't need to paste here because GitHub and the lead code and LinkedIn link will provide here. So I am just pasting the link of my GitHub lead code and LinkedIn ID here that automatically detect the remaining details from my these accounts. So let's paste here first, then after watching what happened. So as you can see, I am just pasting my GitHub link, lead code link, and LinkedIn link, and also I prompt that and fetch remaining details from my LinkedIn account, and my email ID is whatever. So here is my I pasted 4 of my certificate images that will be show on my resume. So I am just giving this prompt and send this. Now whatever the requirements I fulfilled, I hope. So let's see what will be change in this code. Okay, so let's wait. As you can see, this is already happening. So it will take some time because of they have to find the resources whatever I have provided. So it may take 1 to 2 minutes. Then after you will get the result. So wait for that minutes. Now it will be updated soon. So this is the very easy way to make your resume in a perfect format. here you can use any of the format. Here you can see they ask for accept all. It is necessary to accept because this is required for the changing in the code, so you have to accept it. So whenever you accept, it will be automatically updated in your format, resume format. So let's see what happening. I will give you the final resume for how it looks like. Okay, so let's wait. Now here you can see I need help with your following detail to complete resume, since I cannot access your private LinkedIn account or view your specific detail on your GitHub lead code profile. There is some restriction, so I have to provide some another information like education. Education means what, which college I am studying, degree, and which year I am, experience, whatever, projects. So project, no need to paste that project which is not in running condition, because many times company will check your GitHub repo. If it is not working, then you will get rejected. Lead code stats, so you have to also set up your lead code stats, how many questions you have solved, what is your current ranking. So this also reflect your skills, problem solving skills. So let's give these of information in uh, as a prompting. So let's give this. Okay, so I have given the prompt again for my remaining questions. So just wait it and what happening in after some time. Okay, it will start extracting my GitHub projects and detailing that. So it is very easy to understand what it is doing. So let's see what is happening. Yeah, now you can see that here is my project, college name, projects, achievements, and experience, who I am, where I am studying, and what is my project and which language I was used in my project. That is in index.html format, which is shown here. So I am just it is in HTML format. When we are going to that format, so I have to run, when I will run this, it will open in any of my browser. So after that I will save it as my resume. So let's show you what is output of this uh, coding agent. Done already done. Okay, so let's wait, I will show you my projects. Sorry, I'm showing you my resume. Here you can see my whole code of my resume. So let's show you first all detail. Here is my LinkedIn ID, here is my GitHub lead code, whatever the code needed. It can be easily to understandable, and you can change by your own. Okay, so it is very easy. Now you have to run this code and it will open in your browser, so that will show your resume correctly. So you have to just go to run and start debugging. Okay, in web app Chrome. Okay, so let's open it. Now you can see the resume. Let's maximize it. You can see the resume. Okay, now I will show you that how it look like. Okay, this is the format of my resume. Actually it is not looking that much pretty because of some of the minimum content I have provided here. So I will update it time to time. Here is some double paging, so I will remove it using that prompting. So that is very easy to do. Okay, so let's remove this double paging, then after I will show you how to save it and how can this links can be clickable, because it is clickable now. After that this will be uh, looks more professional. Okay, so let's do some updation here, and this doubling page creates nonsense, so I have to remove this. Okay, so let's do it. Moving back to Antigravity, I have to just uh, prompt here to remove that error coming in the HTML debugging. So let's prompt here, and after that I will show you the final resume after saving that. Okay, so let's wait. So here you have to accept these changes needed to make that resume. So whatever it asking for to accept, you have to accept it. Okay, this is important, because if you don't accept that, you will not move forward in a right direction. Okay, so you have to accept that. Okay, so let's wait for the final. So here you can see it will the I have fixed the doubling issue in your resume and update the header links. Okay, so let's run it again. So go to run, then after start debugging. Okay, so you can see here the my full resume in a good pattern. Here already all things are mentioned, Bachelor of Technology, Computer Science. Here is my college name, and I am fresher, so aspiring software engineer. And what is my project? These are my projects. I have less projects now. Maybe you have more than project to me. And these are my certification, and some of these are some my technical skills. And this is just an example of an format. So you can edit it. I just use whatever the format I use, that is latex, but I put it in HTML format because most of us already know about HTML. So this is very easy language to make these kind of uh, resume. So that's why I use HTML. So you can also edit without using AI agents. So that's why I use HTML. So moving forward, I have to save it. So you have to just Control plus S, and it is save. It will be saved in HTML. So you don't have to save like here. You have to click Control plus P, print. Now you have to select Save as PDF, save as PDF, and this is in one page. So you can save it, or if you make in full page resume, so go to more setting. After that, um, scale, custom. Now you have to just increase the size of this. So let's increase this 109 full page resume. If you want to make full page resume, then you have to increase the size. As you can see, if I take the size 120, then it is full page resume, so it looks nice. And now scroll down and click the background graphics and remove header and footers. Mark the background graphics and save it. Okay, now it is saving in your uh, gallery file manager. So change this name, means Krishna resume. Okay, and save it. Okay, so now I can see my resume in my gallery file manager. So here, this is my personal resume. Now it is open as an PDF. Now you can click the LinkedIn. It will directly open your LinkedIn. Okay, when you then after when you back again, if you click GitHub, then it will open your GitHub. Then you click your lead code, then it will open your lead code. So this is the easiest way to making a resume in a few minutes. I am giving you some advices. You have to just prompt whatever AI agent asking. So it is very easy way to make the resume in minutes, because many of you are in third year like me. So you have to make resume in short time. So that's why you have to make this resume in very easy format. You can add your college semester's marks, like your CGPA, GPA, whatever you want to add. You can add here, and your experience, if you have another experience, so you can add. If you have more than one project, I don't have more project now, so that's why I have to just put this from my GitHub. If you have already pushed your code on your GitHub, so it will automatically detect if you provide the links of your GitHub, what I have already done. Okay, so moving next to that achievement. So I have solved 49 plus problem. And certifications, these are some certification which I have done. And technical skills, these are my technical skills. So this is a simple format of my uh, resume. So that's all for today. This video is so long, and I have some voice issues. That's why it takes so much time. You can use 1.5x for better understanding. So I hope you all understand how to make this kind of resume. It is a standard pattern, and whatever the source code used for this, I will provide you in my description, so you can check that there. So thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like my videos, and comment whatever you uh, face problem. I will give you the correct solution about that. And if you want to know how to make your portfolio or your CV using AI agent Antigravity, so if you tell me in my comment section, so I will also make video on that kind of topic. So thank you so much.